Hey guys, welcome back to The Man Philly. Today we will be replacing the strut rods finally, and we'll be getting the shock bolts in, of course. And let's get started. I don't want to hold y'all up on this. Okay, I know that was a little scuffed, but here you go. Move this in a bit before I go to put this in. It's kind of in the way. Let me get this. I had to move the shock out of the way. How annoying. Okay, and then we got that through. I hope I didn't mess none of the threads up. And then we're going to turn our shock to the right position. Okay, sorry, I know y'all couldn't see that, but I had to get the shock onto the shock mounting bolt. So this side, it's as simple as that. And I got this right here, strut rod, and the shock mounting bolt, which is the thing that goes through here. And I got both of those off of Top Flight Automotive. So this is just an installation video, and then I'll have a leaf spring video for a separate video because I am tired. This has been a busy week, and I want to go to bed. So, let's see this right here. Now we got this lined up. So we just want to, this is not the original type, but it's better because all you have to do is put about a 20 millimeter on here. When you go to align it, put a 20 millimeter right there, and then turn it, twist it, and it's gonna adjust your camber. So you get these right here. Gonna have a good bit of leftover parts because some of this crap's unnecessary. I can see the point in some of this stuff. Okay. So I've got 2 washers that go on each end of this, I think. There you go. And then these other washers are probably for the sides. That's what I'm gonna say. How big are these? going to utilize all these washers. Okay. And now we've got our brand new strut rod in and shock, which I did in the last video. And then our shock mounting bolt, or strut rod mounting bolt, whatever you want to call it. I call it the shock mounting bolt. And right after this, we'll move on to the other side. If y'all have any questions, put it in the comments. And if this video was helpful, make sure you like and make sure you subscribe so we can do some more of this content. I thank you for watching, and this is the Man Philly out.